Hi, good morning you all to a healthy episode of Healthy Lifestyle Commune. Yeah, everyone wishes a glowing skin, but how can you attain a glowing skin? Yeah, dear friends, it is within you itself, okay? So, let's be happy, let's be stress free, let's be tension free. Yes, dears. However beautiful your face is, if you are having a lot of tension and stress, then what use? Okay, so what do you have to do? First, you have to be tension free and stress free. Next, what do you have to do? Yeah, you have to early to bed and early to rise, my favorite god. After that, what you will be doing? You will be doing a regular exercise. Okay, after that, drink water. Don't drink too much of tea or coffee because it can hamper your skin. Okay, then you must be taking your breakfast, lunch, and dinner on time. Make sure you are including a lot of vitamins A, B, C, E, D, and K, omega 3 fatty acids, and fruits like berries, avocado, nuts, carrot, papaya, and all. Okay, that is any fruit which is of orange, red, and green color. You can take it for your glowing of the skin. Okay, don't go too much with soft drinks. If you're having smoking or alcohol, dear friends, nothing will be working for you. So please quit that habits. Okay, soft drinks also. And don't go with fried items, too much spicy or masala items, because that can also hamper your skin. So what all we will be doing? We will be cutting those which are harmful for us, and we will be including the necessary food. You have to make sure you are drinking enough water. Yeah, friends, when this climate came, yesterday also I had a patient, and what she was telling, ma'am, I'm having UTI, I'm not drinking enough water. Okay, it is not only about UTI, about the skin. If you are caring, you have to drink enough water. Then I know, as we are ladies, our body is in a hormonal array, but make sure that this hormonal array is not affecting your health. So what you must do? Okay, if you are having any PCOD problems, first treat that, dear. After that only you must apply your creams or lotion. How long you will be applying these creams and lotion? Yeah, it cannot give us permanent result. It will be giving you only temporary result. Brands will go, lotions will go, you alone will be here. So how long? You have to be happy and you have to follow a healthy lifestyle for a glowing skin. So these all things are very important. And if you are a yogic person, what I will be telling you, do Sarvangasana, Surya Namaskara, Aloma Viloma, Kapalabhati, Malsyasana, because these can bring a lot of glowing to your skin. Okay. Then, okay, I have included some of the necessary items, not some, most of the necessary items in this, okay, in this video. Then always make sure your thyroid levels are all normal, because if you have any hormonal imbalances, it will reflect in your skin. During the pregnancy time, just for a temporary period, dears. Don't think, oh my God, it is going to hamper my skin lifelong. Nothing like that, okay. It is just a temporary phase. At that time itself, don't go behind creams and lotion. More than you, I think so. Sometimes your husband or anyone will be much more aware about, much more will be thinking, oh, why this person's skin is like this. But make them understand, okay, it is just a temporary phase. After that, it will go. Climatic conditions also, when it is too much of hot climate, it can also affect your skin. So make sure your skin is having enough oxygen to breathe, okay. And so this much things you have to follow, and finally follow yoga and meditation also. Okay, not finally, okay, I'm going to tell you a good face pack. And this face pack, what all ingredients we need? We need turmeric, we need base and flour, and we need a little milk. Okay, for the dry skin, do like this. Okay, for the oily skin, what you can do? Take a little turmeric powder, take a little besan powder, and with rose water you must apply on the skin. Any packs, dear, I'm a doctor. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, any skin pack before applying to the face, you must do a patch test. And what is this patch test? You must apply in any part of your body and check within 5 seconds or 10 seconds or within a few minutes. If it is creating an itching or allergy, you can quit it. Some persons will be sensitive for some things, but if you are sensitive for everything, dear, your gut is not correct. Correct your gut. Okay, 6 months once, definitely we have to do a purgation because that itself make our skin better to eliminate the toxins from the body. Okay, hoping that these packs and whatever I have told will be helpful for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.